Lawyers are back in court here today arguing whether the federal government unconstitutionally denied immigrants detained by ICE their right to an attorney. NBC4's Chen live for us in downtown Los Angeles, where both sides are waiting for a judge's ruling here. Ted.
That's right, Michael. Both sides are waiting for a ruling on a preliminary injunction that will require the federal government to make sure there is a lawyer available and immigration detainees have access to a lawyer at all times. This is part of a bigger case on the constitutionality of these federal raids.
How could you do this?
The federal court battle over immigration raids in the LA area is now back at the district court level. It's here where district court over the summer barred immigration agents from using factors like race or being located at places like a car wash or Home Depot as a basis for detaining people.
These aren't criminals. These are not individuals who are being taken into criminal custody with criminal charges being filed against them.
But the U.S. Supreme Court last month stayed that ruling, allowing the raids to continue unabated. Justice Brett Kavanaugh writing that agents could consider that undocumented immigrants, quote, tend to gather in certain locations to seek daily work, that those individuals often work in certain kinds of jobs. Many of those illegally in the Los Angeles area come from Mexico or Central America.
We have asked for the government to show us the evidence, show us the proof that what they're doing is consistent with the Constitution.
Both sides now gearing for a long court fight. Lawyers for detainees arguing in court today that detainees are being denied access to representation and that even when they do get a lawyer, doors are kept open so there is no privacy. Lawyers for the government saying such incidents, if true, are anecdotal and that detainees as a whole are getting access to lawyers.
The Constitution is not an almost.
So this entire case is back in district court. The constitutionality of the raids, the access to lawyers, and is likely to wind up back also to the Supreme Court. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Ted Chen, NBC4 News. Back to you in Universal City.